Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing, we are from Group 6, and today we would like to present our proposed paper title, which is Detection of Buzzer on Social Media Using TF-IDF and Activity Pattern Analysis. And before we start, we would like to introduce our group members. And here we have Ananda Ganesha,
Yes, thank you, Sima.
Raja Rifqi Rizanda,
Yeah, it's me. Thank you, Sima.
and me, Sima Nahdia. Okay, so now we will move to the first part, which is the problem statement will be presented by Ananda Ganesha. So please, Ananda.
Okay, thank you, Sima, for the opportunity. I will explain about the problem statement. Okay, with the increasing technology in Indonesia, buzzer accounts that are paid to spread specific information or propaganda. Effectively, detecting buzzer is crucial for understanding the dynamic of public opinion and preventing the spread of misleading information. Buzzer were present in Indonesian society system had many influence. One of which is to lead opinions on social media for certain purpose. And then there are challenges in identification buzzer account on social media due to their to resemble ordinary user account. Conventional method for detecting buzzer is not always effective. Two methods that can be utilized are the first TF-IDF or term frequency inverse document frequency for analyzing the content posted by account and activity pattern analysis to identify suspicious user behavior. Okay, and then okay, there are several problems caused of buzzer specifically in social media. The first is uh, dissemination of misinformation. Buzzer accounts often share false or misleading information, which can create confusion and distrust among the public. When these accounts spread unverified claim and sensational story, it's become harder for people to tell what is true and what is not. This spread of misleading information distorts the reality of various issues, and we can trust in reliable news source. Okay, and then manipulation of the public opinions. Okay, buzzer can change how the people think by using certain message and promoting certain viewpoint. By taking advantage of social media algorithm, this account can make it seem like there is widespread agreement on particular idea. This manipulation can influence important decisions like politics or society. And then the last erosion of democratic process. Buzzer treat the integrity of democratic process and elections by shaping how voters think and make disinformation campaigns. Their ability to spread misleading information can sway public opinion towards specific candidate policies. Okay, that's all from me. And then the solution. Next, please.
Okay, next is the solution. So here I'll explain the solution that we will propose for the problem statement that already explained by Nanda before. So detecting this account is crucial for maintaining the authenticity and integrity for the social media environments. To tackle this issue, a combination of TF-IDF or term frequency inverse document frequency and activity pattern analysis is proposed. TF-IDF helps identify unusual word patterns in posts and comments that are commonly associated with the buzzer accounts, such as repetitive keywords or promotional phrases. And meanwhile, activity pattern analysis focus on unusual behaviors, including excessive posting, excessive tagging, and suspicious interactions network, which are indicative of buzzer activity. And our expected outcomes for this solution proposed is the first, improve detection and manipulative accounts. which means that the solution aims to accurately identify buzzer accounts that engage in suspicious or inorganic promotional behaviors. And the second point is the scalable solution, which means that the system can handle large volumes of Instagram data and also scale as social media platform evolve. And next is more authentic user interactions, which means that by detecting and eliminating buzzers, the platform can foster healthier interactions and also content engagement. And next is the method will be explained by Raja Rifqi. So please, Raja.
All right. Thank you, Sima. I will explain the solution method that we applied to this problem. First, text processing. In this stage, the raw text, the dataset from social media comments, then and posts is proceed to prepare it for further analysis. The first thing that we have to do is we apply tokenization to break down the text into individual words. And then after that, we use the stop word to remove and eliminate common word that doesn't have a meaning, doesn't have a specific meaning to this to the text, such as and, the, or, and with. After that, we apply stemming and lemmatization, which it will help reduce words to their root form. This processing step is essential to standardize the data and make the analysis more efficient. And then the second method that we use is feature extraction with TF-IDF. So to identify languages patterns used by buzzer account, we employ this TF-IDF. It will help us to determine the importance of words within a document by calculating how frequently a word appears in specific text relative to the entire dataset. Words that frequently appear in buzzer account but are rare in normal interaction, in normal account, will have a higher weight. But using TF-IDF, we can extract meaningful words or phrases that are commonly used in buzzer communication. And then the next method that we will use is sentiment analysis. So this method will identify the word that either this word is positive, negative, or neutral. To analyze this to analyze these sentiment tendencies. So we will apply machine learning models such as like naive bias, SVM, or BERT, which is these algorithms will classify the text, either this text is positive, negative, or neutral by examining the consistency of sentiment in the account post and comment. And then the last method that we will use is machine learning classification. So we utilize machine learning models to classify account as either buzzer or it's a real account. So we will employ various classification algorithm, including like random forest or decision tree, which are this algorithm is effective in handling multiple feature simultaneously. So and we also use SVM for identifying text best patterns in command and post. So that's all for me.
Okay, thank you, Raja, for the explanation. So I think that's all for our presentation today. Thank you for your attention, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir. Salam.